All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this sunburst granny. So I'm first gonna make a magic circle. You're just gonna take the yarn, hold this piece with your thumb, loop it around, form an X where that thumb is, and hold that down. You're gonna put your crochet hook, grab some yarn, pull it through, twist up, and then reach over this yarn and under that back yarn. Just pull this through. So that will give you this magic circle loop here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and crochet 16 into this space. So yarn over, insert hook into the circle, and you're gonna hold both of these threads. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and do 14 more of those, and then I'll pop back in once I'm done with that. Okay, so I have put 16 double crochet stitches into this magic circle, and then I'm just gonna take this little piece of thread, or yarn, sorry, and pull right through. See, and that closes that circle up. Then I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the starting stitch to join, and I will break off here. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna sew this in really well so that this circle stays nice and tight. Okay, so we're gonna go back in and do round 2, and I'm gonna pick any one of these stitches to work into. I'll grab this one, insert, and slip stitch to join, and then I'll chain 2, and then working not in the next stitch, but in that same stitch, I'm going to do the puff stitch. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop. Now I have 5. I'm going to do it one more time for 7. Yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to pull through all 7 of those. And then I'm going to chain 1 to lock it in, that puff. Then I'm going to do that in each stitch round until I have 16. So I'll go ahead and do the next one with you, and then I'll fast forward. So I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into this next opening, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. So I have 7. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all the loops. And if you can just get through that first loop, sometimes it'll help you to see if you're having a hard time pulling through all of them. You just pull through the first, and then you'll be able to see where you need to kind of squeeze to get through all of those. And chain 1. So I'll go ahead and finish this and come back. Okay. So when you get to the end of that, you're going to join with the slip stitch, break the yarn, weave in the ends, and then I'll show you how to do round 3. So now sometimes I keep rows 2 and 3 the same color, and sometimes I like to do them different colors. So you're going to go ahead and insert in between any one of these with a slip stitch. and then you're going to chain I'm going to go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now into that same space, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So like the first half of a double crochet. We're going to do it again. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So now we have 3 on our hook. Go ahead and do it again. You're going to yarn over, insert into the same space, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Now, because we chained 3 in the beginning, I'm going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through these 4 loops. And that'll make this bobble the same size as the other ones. But for every other bobble stitch, you're going to wait until you have 5 loops on the hook and then pull through. So the first one, pull through 4. And then I'm going to chain 2 and go ahead and do the next one. So I'll yarn over and insert into the next space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I'll keep doing that, like the first half of a double crochet, until I get to 5. So I'll yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. So now that I have 5 loops on my hook, I'm just going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And then I'll chain 2. And that's how you do the bobble stitch. And you're going to work 16 all the way around. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll pop back in. Okay. For row 4, we're going to take our outside color and just make a slip knot, add it to the crochet hook, and pick any space in between these bobbles that you want to start and add with the slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 3. And this is going to work like your first double crochet. So we're going to put 2 more double crochet into that same space. Then we're going to go into the next space, which will be our corner, and we're going to work a group of 3 triple crochet. Chain 2 for the corner, and then you're going to work 3 more triple crochet into that same space. So that's going to make your corner. Into the next space, you're going to go ahead and work 3 double crochet. Then you're going to work 3 half double crochet into the next stitch. then 3 double crochet, and then we work another corner. So again, it's going to be 3 triple crochet, chain 2, and then 3 triple crochet. This is my favorite part of the squares. There's something just really satisfying about when you start to see that square shape. Okay, and then you're gonna just follow that same pattern where you're gonna add 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, your corner with 3 triple crochet, chain 2, 3 triple crochet into the same stitch. And then same thing, the double crochet clusters, half double, double, triple crochet corner, double, half double, and then you're going to join right here where we started. So I'll go ahead and finish that up and then I'll show it to you. Okay, there you have it. This is the finished product. So I just finished off the 3 half double crochet at the end and joined the next row with a slip stitch and then broke and I wove in the ends. Here's the back. Here's the right side. This will need to be blocked, and this is cotton. It's really not very elastic, but I love the feel of cotton. And for anyone wanting to know, I used the I Love This yarn, I Love This cotton from Hobby Lobby, and the row 4 is made in the color khaki. The center is made in brown. The baubles are worked in gold, and then row 2 is worked in bruschetta, just if you're interested in those colors. And there you go.